Melissa is a busy mom who always strives to keep her family safe from illness, especially during the current pandemic. So when her son Jake developed coughing, Melissa got extremely concerned. Not only for Jake, but for her whole family getting infected. What could she do to reduce the spread of germs and viruses? She consulted Dr. Martha, who recommended getting the flu vaccine, frequently washing hands, and getting her air ducts sanitized, as they can spread harmful germs, bacteria, and viruses throughout the whole home. When Melissa learned that the experts at SuperTech HVAC use the highest quality disinfectant that is EPA registered, FDA approved, and OSHA compliant, she immediately booked an appointment for duct sanitation. Technician Tony from SuperTech HVAC arrives at her house with all the necessary tools at the scheduled time. Tony fogs the air ducts with the disinfectant, which is designed to stick to the surfaces and has been proved to kill germs, bacteria, and viruses for up to 6 months. Melissa is now relaxed, knowing that her family is safer for the next 6 months. She also books the next appointment for complete peace of mind. It is now your turn to protect your family. Call us to book your duct sanitation appointment today.